Hello, my name is Jan Meinema. I'm the program leader for MA Sound Design at Baarspa University. This creative postgraduate course explores sound design and audio post-production for film and other visual media. I guess one of the most important aspects of the course is its bespoke nature. The majority of the assessments on this course can be explored in a very personalized manner with the aim to create a bespoke portfolio. It's a forward-thinking course, and you will be exploring the creative use of sound within film and other visual media at an advanced level. The course focuses on the more creative aspects of sound design and post-production, whilst providing the necessary technical skills. The work developed during the course will be within your areas of interest without stylistic boundaries. Interdisciplinary collaboration with related fields of practice is encouraged. So it runs alongside the sound production and sound arts MAs, with also some options across those programs. The course mainly has a practical focus, so developing and enhancing portfolio work. The students that we are looking for have a passion for audio production and sound design, also about storytelling, film, game, theatre, so anything they are passionate about. Ideally, have a degree in a related area or recent experience in audio and music technology. The course structure for full-time will run over 3 trimesters, and these trimesters will run from October to February, from February to June, and then from June to September. For a part-time student, this will be run over 6 trimesters. So that will be first year and the second year, 3 trimesters each. The major project will run in the summer trimester. In trimester 1, you will gain the skills that you need to fulfill the rest of the course. So the skills portfolio module is built on the idea that you already have technical skills in that area, but students entering the course have very different skill sets depending on their backgrounds. Therefore allows you to choose a set of skills from a large number of options. These cover skills right across the sound arts, sound design and sound production pathways, and they include optional elements of multimedia. So there is acousmatic music, contemporary production, spectral audio, audio programming, audio-visual skills, field recording, interactive performing techniques and sound sculpting. And these are delivered with a flipped classroom method, so that there are online materials that you work through, and then we are exploring that as a group together in weekly sessions. The research methodology and context module develops skills in postgraduate level research and writing. So it's designed to give you the tools for an onward journey in academia, but not to be in the colloquial sense of the word academic. It encourages your research to be around the practical and creative elements core to your practice, and therefore to feed your creative work. In trimester 2, you will build on the knowledge and skills that you've gained from trimester 1. The core module in second trimester is Sound Design Practice module. It explores the creative and practical application of sound design within a visual narrative and storytelling context. A particular focus will be on the potential of using sound as a tool for narrative storytelling, as well as a vehicle to communicate meaning. The module is delivered as a series of lectures in a surround theatre environment, and also involves advanced sound sculpting and processing techniques and tools. Alongside this core module, the post-production module explores an industry-level multi-speaker surround audio workflow for audio post, either within film and visual media, or it can also be in other contexts as a full audio, game audio workflow, or a theatre sound design, but all in a multi-speaker context. It covers a wide range of associated skill sets. You also be offered a range of options, so the post-production module could be replaced by one of the options from the MA pathways. So from MA Sound Production there is intertextuality in sound production. It explores the overlap between urban music production and what can be considered to be more experimental genres. Or the visual music module from the sound arts pathway that explores the idea that musical thinking can be extended to visual, and encourage students to develop multimedia projects that explore that idea. There are also choices in composition. So in sound design practice, we look at sound sculpting, processing, synthesis, Also, the language and aesthetics of sound design. For the assessment, collaboration is encouraged. In post-production, we look at more traditional audio post-production skill sets such as sound editing, Foley and field recording, production workflows, so complex surround workflows, track laying, sound editing, dubbing mixing or re-recording mixing, but also some more advanced concepts in surround sound, things like Dolby Atmos and virtual reality audio and ambisonics. In trimester 3, the final trimester of the course, revolves around an independent research project. Whilst most postgraduate courses include a dissertation, the MA Sound Design culminates with a large-scale practical project supported by a reflective account. The project will allow you to develop your own individual and original research idea through your practice. The exact nature of the work will be negotiated with your module leader, and you'll be able to use it to develop a body of practical work which will serve as a substantial portfolio for the next stage in your career. It's a 60 credit module that has an open brief, and it represents a larger body of work that is about a personal development. So we're talking a bespoke project. The BA Creative Music Technology shares some of the ethos of our MA programs, and it is also possible to sit in on some of the content of the undergraduate programs, especially third year modules like the game audio, interactive procedural audio. There are also the MA sister programs, MA Sound Arts and MA Sound Production. Some of the lecture content is actually shared with the students on those pathways. There is also a weekly guest speaker series which is called Creative Sound Forum, where also the MA Sound composition students joining. So there is a real sense of community created amongst all those MA modules. Across the Music and Performing Arts, the School of Music and Performing Arts, there are many options for collaboration. We have acting courses, commercial music, creative music technology, as I mentioned, dance, production and theatre and digital production, also a BA in music, and as well as the drama department. And students in the past have successfully found collaborations, MA level, but also across undergrad levels. During the course, you can develop an individual tailored portfolio of skills, and that will help finding work in the current employment landscape, where a combination of traditional audio post-production roles are required, alongside a broader practice in sound and music and other media. The course also provides the breadth necessary for FA and HE teaching in the field and provides the basis required for PhD research. The list here indicates the breadth of job roles associated to the content of the course. For the application process, we use a portfolio and a personal statement as well as previous experience. So for the portfolio, ideally we have a range of audio-visual work, but also audio work is acceptable. So it can be music or sound production, or any work that you might have done on a film project. Could be a game project or a theatre sound design project, sound art engagement. The personal statement should indicate the passion for the subject and reasons why you would like to apply for the course. You can apply directly via the university website. The link is below. So thank you for listening, and you can contact me on the email address. And I'm also available in the session later on the day to answer any specific questions that you might have. Thank you.